How to change sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys the process on how to change sensitive content on Twitter. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have X application installed on your device and you are logged in into your account. Now open your X application and click on the profile at the top left corner. Now click on the settings and support and again tap on settings and privacy option. With that, you will be appeared on the account settings of your account. Now from the different options given, click on privacy and safety option. Now finally click on contents UC option, and now from here you can toggle on or toggle off in order to change the sensitive content on Twitter. If you want to see the sensitive content, just toggle on that option, and if you don't want to see the sensitive content, then toggle off that option. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can change sensitive content on Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.